Good morning, this is Mr. Maraca. This week we have been covering on the 3 stages of matter: solid, liquid, and gas. Today Mr. Maraca is going to show you a mini experiment on what happens when you put and combine the different stages of matter. Now let's review. What is matter? Matter is something that surrounds us, all around us, that you can touch, smell, and feel. Some of the 3 stages of matter that we're going to focus on is solid, liquid, and gas. What is an example of a solid? Well, a solid could be like a rock or like a brick, something that's very hard and it cannot change its form. Then we also have liquid. For example, like water, vinegar, orange juice in its state. And then we also have gas. Gas like a balloon, oxygen. Have you ever seen, like for example, have you ever seen gas coming out of tea? In a tea kettle, or when a hot chocolate is hot, don't you see the steam? That's considered a gas. Well, before I do this experiment, boys and girls, I want you to use the method that we learned in class: think, puzzle, and explore. Before I show the experiment, I want you to think about what would happen and what do I know about the 3 stages of matter. Then I want you to wonder about what would happen when Mr. Maraca puts a solid, liquid, and gas all together. Then we're going to explore on what would actually happen. All right, so before I do this experiment, make sure that if you are going to do the experiment at home, make sure you do it with an adult. Please do not do it by yourself. And also, I'm going to show you the different materials I'm using today. So first, I'm going to use vinegar. This is my liquid state. And for my solid state, I'm going to use baking soda. And then for my gas state, I'm going to use a balloon. All right, so first, you are going to need a bottle of water, so like a flask or even just a bottle of water, a container. Then I'm going to put the vinegar into the bottle. So here. All right, a little bit halfway. Then I'm going to put then I'm going to put my solid state into the balloon, into the what state is this? The gas state, the gas. So then make sure, I'm going to take this balloon and I'm going to make sure to put it closely tight on my water bottle. Now we have the liquid, we have the gas, and we have the solid inside. Let's see what happens when we put it all together. So I'm going to let's see what happens when I put the baking soda into the liquid, the vinegar. All right, so what you're seeing is, making sure you hold it tight, you are seeing what's happening is the air pressure from the vinegar is pulling up to the gas and all the air is going up to the balloon. Do you see that? The balloon is going up. This is because the air molecules in the bottle is going up to my gas and making a balloon. Now, After watching isn't this boys and girls, isn't this a cool experiment? Now, after this experiment, in this lab, I want you to think now in a sheet of paper. After this video, I want you to explore and think about what are different combinations that you can think of, and what you know about solid, liquid, and gas. All right, go ahead, scientists.